This is Julius here, and this is my channel. This channel, I do come back to come and meet my fans and tell them the strategy that is working for me. And based on that one, I do let them know the most strategy that they are going to be using to make money. And prevention, you like any of the video here, you are employed to view those video, and if you like them, just watch them and implement them immediately. This is a CPAgrip, and on this platform, what I'm going to be doing here, I'm going to be showing you how you are going to start making money with the free traffic. And the free traffic we are going to be using today is a Pinterest platform. So once you have registered, I've told you in my last video how to register on this platform. And if you still don't know how to do it well, you can go to any of the video on my channel to watch the way and manner you can open your account on a CPAgrip. And the moment you get to CPAgrip, this is how your platform is going to look like. Now, the next thing you now need to do right now, we need to come to an offer because we want to promote an offer that is we are going to start using to make money here. So you click offer tools. When you click offer tools, the next thing you need to do right now, you click my offer. After you have clicked my offer, it's going to come up in this form. You can see here in the country, here we are seeing Nigeria, here we are seeing all categories, here you are seeing the show statics. But for today's video, we are going to be using the United States offer. So what we now need to do right now, where you are seeing Nigeria, you click this down arrow here, you now write United States here, United States. So this is United States. And this is United States here right now. So once you have seen United States here, the offer is going to come up in this form. And once the offer is coming up in this form, the next thing now is for us to start promoting an offer. And if you see here right now, we are like I told you the other time that for you to promote any offer here, it's either you have a 2 or 3 operating system. This is a desktop. This is a Apple iOS. This is a Android. Like I told you that we are going to be using a Pinterest. This is I want to go to my Pinterest account. This is a Pinterest account now. And for you to know, maybe the offer you are going to start promoting here is going to convert or is not going to convert. Then you need to have a Pinterest account. If you have not having a Pinterest account, you need to open a Pinterest account. After you have opened a Pinterest account, you need to come to this analysis performance here. You are going to see an analytic overview. You are going to see the audience insight. You are going to see conversion insight. You are going to see Pinterest trend. In the first instance, you want to know the offer that your traffic is going to go with. So what you now need to go do right now, you need to click on the audience and insight. So by clicking on audience insight now, you are going to come in like this form. So you are going to come in like this form, and you are going to see that this is going to show you many things. You can see the device here. You are going to see the location here. Then once you have seen all those one, now you are going to see gender as well. You are going to see the age as well. So the next thing now you now need to do right now, you need to click this one again. When you click this one again, you need to come to Pinterest thread. Here you want to know the all those offer that is going on that is going trading. So if you move down now, you are going to see all this now. You can see here is still St. Patrick Day's food. So we are going. What we want to do now, we want to promote a gift card. So automatically, these are the things that is going on a very that is going on very high right now. You can see that this is gift, Valentine gift. We are still in a Valentine period. So, like I told you, we are coming to this is a CPAgrip right now. So let me choose one of the offer here. Let me choose any of the offer here. I want to choose. Okay, let me choose this one. Enter for what month? Gift card.
And if you see this one now, this is a desktop. And like I told you, if you see Pinterest right now, Pinterest is basically on a Android, on a Apple iOS. So it means that we need to look at any of the Walmart that is having a Apple iOS or that is having a Walmart and that is having a Android. So let's go further. Walmart. In the first instance, what you need to do right now, you need to click this Android here. When you click this Android here, all the offer with Android offer is going to come up. These are the offer with Android. This is Android. This is Android. So now we also need to move up right now. When you move up here, you're going to see all those offer we are talking of now. So if you see this one now, we are going to see this is what we had said the other time, which is grab your Walmart gift card. Enter your information now for a chance to win. And you should not forget that this offer is from the United States. And it's on the operating system of Android. And this one is a email Success Summit. Meaning that whoever is able to submit his or her email address, then this offer is going to convert with $1.88. And what are you going to be using to promote this offer? You are going to take in these affiliate links. You are going to copy this affiliate link. When you copy these affiliate links now, is where you are going to put at part of your notepad or you put it at anywhere. So, like I told you that we have already know the offer we want to promote on Pinterest. Now, the next thing now we now need to do right now is we need to download this image. For you to download this image, you just need to right click. When you right click, it's going to be downloaded on your platform. And since I don't want this video to be too long, this is here this site.com, site google.com. On this site google.com, this is a free site builder. So you can see that I'm already having different website here. And your own is going to look blank. And for you to create any website here, you need to click this plus sign. After you have clicked this plus sign, you are going to see that it's going to come up in another form. Then you need to delete this page. But since I don't want this video to be too long, I've already created the landing page. And the prevention, you don't know how to create the landing page. If I can have up to 10 or 15 or 20 people that's said I should help them to create a landing page, I'm going to make another video on how to create a landing page. So this is the landing page I created right now. You can see here right now, you see, sign up and get a free Walmart gift card. Then I later went down. So when I went down, I said, get a free Walmart gift card giftable. Then this is another image. I went to Google to go and pick. So now, all you need to do right now, you need to come to Google here. Then you just put Walmart here. You say Walmart. So by clicking Walmart here, you just click Walmart gift card. Then you click enter. By clicking enter, it's going to come up here. You need to print on the image here. When you click on this image, it's going to give you different images here. These are the images you need to download here. So that is going to couple with all this other one I've already just done here. So once you have done that, the next thing now is for you to move. If I move down, you are now going to see how I created this landing page. You see, at the end of the day, then when they click this sign up now, they're going to come to this offer. And by coming to this offer, and by the time they put on their email address, they're going to get $1.88. I think I'm communicating. And I believe you are enjoying this video. If you are enjoying this video, what I will want you to do that is not going to cost you any time, that is going to be a support of this channel. Just subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed, and click the notification bell so that whenever any new video of this kind is released, you'll be the first person to be notified. Also, I also want you to share this video, comment, Your comment is going to go ahead and go a long way to help this video in case there's any issue that need amendment. And you also need to give me a thumb up so that many people will get discover this video. And this is the landing page right now. Once you have gotten the landing page, so the next thing now you will need to do right now is just for you to to view the landing page. So what you now need to do right now, you need to click view public site. You click on this one. When you click on this one, it's going to come up in this form. When it come up in this form now, what you now need to do right now, you just need to come down a little bit. When you come down a little bit, you just come down a little bit here. When you come down a little bit here, then the next thing you need to do, you click on this sign up. Once you click on this sign up, then they are going to bring you back to this site now. And the moment you come to this site, you just need to put on your email address. And once you put on your email address, the next thing now, and it's complete, you are going to make $1.88. That's just the simple explanation here. And having done this now, the next step is just to go and put your paint and the board into the Pinterest platform so that we are going to start promoting this offer. So what we are now going to be doing next now, once we have created our landing page, once we have known our offer we want to promote, the next thing now is just to start putting the pin into our Pinterest platform. And I want to believe this video is you are getting enough information and very educative information from here. And once again, prevention, you have not subscribed to this channel. What I want to do right now, just subscribe by click the notification bell so that whenever any new video of this content is released, be the first person to be notified. In addition, I will also want you to give me a like, give me a thumb up so that many people will get to cover this video. So once you have done that one, the next thing now you click on your Pinterest. And when you click on this Pinterest right now, you just need to click on, you are seeing the Pinterest trend here. You click on this three line. When you click on that three line, the next thing now you need to do now, you click on create a pin. You click on that one. And when you click on that one, it's going to come up in this form. Just exercise patient now. As the thing come up in this form now, the next thing now is for you to just click choose a file from your laptop or you down drop it here. So you click on this one. When you click on this one, then we need to go to your system. You have already downloaded those email there. Then the next thing now you need to upload it to your Pinterest platform. So when you have done that one, you can see here right now, you see that get your gift card instantly. Limited time offer. Sign up now, and you get it. So this is the Pinterest right now. You have put in the title, which is get your gift card instantly, which is what is here. Then this is just the description I put. I say, want a free gift card? The exclusive offer is available. They are now put some hashtag there. Thereafter, I move down. When I move down, by moving down here right now, what you need to do right now, you need to put the links because it's asking for the links here. Where will you get the links? You need to come back to your landing page here. Then for you to get the links now, you need to click on this one. You click on this one. By clicking on this one, this is the links you are going to copy. By click and copy this one. Then you come back here and you put that links here. Once you are putting that links here, the next thing now you need to put your board pin, which is easy reward and offer. After you have done that one, then you need to move up. Then which is the tag topics, which is Walmart, and these are the common words. After you have finished that one now, then the next thing now is for you to publish. You click on publish, so you can see that you have already published right now. So that is just a simple explanation, and I want to believe this is a very simple and understandable video. It's on this note I want to bring this video to an end. And prevention, you are having questions you want me to help you to solve with video, just go to the comment section of this video, put your questions there. When I see those questions, I will do justice to them. And prevention, you have not even subscribed. Maybe you are watching this channel for the first time. What I will want you to do once again is just subscribe, click the notification bell, and when another video of this kind is released, you'll be the first person to be notified. So on this note, I want to appreciate you for being with me from the beginning to the end. I love you, and I see you in my next